Welcome to the Flat Earth Community University. As part of our groundbreaking community outreach program, we have invited the leading minds in the globe Earth and Flat Earth communities into the hallowed halls of FECU in order to bring harmony to the world.
So, you were explaining about these Mount St. Helens observations.
Ahoy hoy, I'm Planarwalk, and these observations are very interesting because...
No, not you. I was asking Conspiracy Catz, obviously.
Oh, but I've got 2,000 subscribers now.
You'd best sit down, Planarwalk. Planarwalk? Planarwalk? I don't know.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, well, I was saying that we can calculate the angular size because we know the adjacent and the opposite sides of this right angle triangle. And we also know that the tan of the angle equals the opposite divided by the adjacent.
Conspiracy Catz, you're being intellectually dishonest.
It's just absurd lunacy.
We know it's BS.
Riley, Dell, Marble Boy, hush! Carry on, please, Conspiracy Catz. You were explaining about, that thing you were explaining about.
I wish SciManDan was here. So, using trigonometry, we know the angle from the observer is around 1.09 degrees. Now, I know that angle and I know the distance to Mount Rainier. I can figure out the opposite, which will be the tan of 1.09 degrees.
Delusional globe cult disciple.
Come on, man.
But if it's Rainier, how can you get a tan? Shouldn't it be cloudy? PaulsterX, maybe you can explain it to us. There are signs. Conspiracy Catz here has cranially indexed way too much.
But...
Sorry, Planarwalk, he did say PaulsterX.
Yeah, Wade's Underworld is right. He said PaulsterX.
But, Ragical...
So knowing the distance to the mountains, we know from trigonometry the angles that would be involved on a flat surface, and these don't match what we see in the photo. So using the laws of geometry and physics...
What are you talking about physics, man?
You know they are trying to deceive you and blind you with numbers and equations in the language of mathematics.
It really is not that complicated. Surely you understand basic math.
I am not interested in mathematical concepts and theories.
Well, if you'd be quiet and listen, you'd see that this one photo settles the argument because we understand optical physics and the laws of perspective.
These observations can be interpreted in a variety of ways.
No, they can't.
They definitely can't.
They really can't.
I was going to say that.
So anyone who concludes that an observation is absolute proof that we live on a globe is only dogmatically sticking to a belief. They are not being truly scientific.
It's not a proof of the globe, it's a proof the world can't be flat.
Wade's Underworld, what do you think? It sounds like a steaming bowl of soggy cheese puffs to me.
Conspiracy Catz is right. That one photo settles the debate for good. So, are you all saying that if we took you to space and you saw it with your own eyes, even that wouldn't be good enough?
These observations can be interpreted in a variety of ways.
Right, so what you're basically saying is, unless we actually physically take you to space and you see the shape of the world for yourself with your own eyes, you won't believe it. Is that right?
You want me to go to space to believe that the Earth is a globe?
Well, that sounds like an experimentalization to me. Beats all this talk about trees. Follow me, people. The experimentalization shed couldn't contain my ambitiousness any longer. Step this way, and you'll see we've got a little side project going on here, and you're the first ones to see it.
Good grief, it's enormous. My one isn't that big.
I'm in a real underworld.
Where did you get this from?
We got these from the kind donations to the FECU Foundation. We publish our accounts, you know. We're listing this baby on the non-profit tax forms as business, travel, and economic development. Now hop on board, Familian ones and gents.
This is unbelievable.
Does this land vertically?
This is for going in an uppity direction, not landing. Everyone put these on your head.
Where's the bottom half to this space helmet?
Helmets? What helmets? Helmets are tinfoil lined, and we won't need those where we're going. These are genuine personal domes. They electro-fluctuationally perturb the big crystalline dome structure and will allow us to sneak right through. Otherwise, we'd bounce right off.
Your base is inside Mount St. Helens. That's madness.
It's just absurd lunacy.
Thanks, Del. That's exactly what I think.
You're an absolute buffoon.
Del, you're ruining this. Take a pill. Yeah, the red one. Good boy.
Is this safe? Guys?
Takeoff in T-minus 5, 4, launch ignition sequence, 3, 2, 1, liftoff! FECU to flat out. This one didn't explode yet.
What? I can't hear you.
This one didn't explode.
What?
Explode.
We removed that button, remember?
Is this safe?
This rocket is not a safe, you silly.
I'm floating!
Force of attraction, we are.
Orphan Red, did you let one go?
That's rotten.
Well, holy hell, that smells horrible.
Orphan! I was floating right behind you!
Look there, out the window, you see, the Earth is a sphere.
Beautiful.
That's amazing.
It's CGI.
So I don't care how you explain that, boys and girls. The reality is, it's fake. It's not real.
But it's right in front of you. You can see it with your own eyes.
Do you have that measurable, tangible proof of your globe, son? I know you don't.
Well, yeah, out the window there, right in front of you.
The clouds aren't moving.
Right, calm down. Just look for a while. They're just really far away.
Where are the satellites? Where's the ISS?
Satellites are thousands of miles away.
Your confusion is happening because you see something on a TV screen.
But it's a window, not a TV.
Shows you that it's just more CGI, so...
How can it be CGI? It's a bloody window.
So there may be, something else out there beyond. Conspiracy cats! SciManDan! Conspiracy cats! That's just in their fantasy. Delusion land.
Look, Del! A fairy! Ragical, get between Del and that door.
Me? Why me?
You're armoured.
You're only going to falsify that by exploring. And actually going to find out what's there.
No!
Sorry I'm late, guys. It's been a while since I left my study and the door's a bit complicated. Guys? Where'd everybody go?